The coordinates of triangle ABC are A at 5, 7, B at 11, 7, and C at 3, Y, where Y is greater than 7. The area of triangle ABC is 12. What is the value of Y? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's plot the triangle on a grid. A and B both sit at height y equals 7. So the side AB is horizontal. C is higher up, somewhere above the line y equals 7. Use AB as the base. Since A is at x equals 5 and B is at x equals 11, the length of the base is 11 minus 5, which is 6. The height is the straight-up distance from C down to the line y equals 7. C is at height y, so that distance is y minus 7. Now use the area formula. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. So 12 equals 1/2 times 6 times y minus 7, which is 3 times y minus 7. Dividing. Y minus 7 equals 4. So y equals 11. The answer is 11.